Well, question 4 starts quite basically, didn't it? We just replace the x with a cos theta, replace the y with a sine theta, and I'm going to factorise out the r as well. And you might think that's all we can do with that. But this little cos theta minus sine theta, we can rewrite that using the harmonic form versions that we worked in maths. To do that, we started with one of the addition formulas, and the one we used was theta plus alpha. And the formula says, see if I can squeeze it in here, it's r cos theta sine alpha, cos alpha, minus r sine theta sine alpha. The minus matches the minus here. What have we got? We've got cos theta, and one of them, minus sine theta, and one of them. And what you do, you play sort of snap here. So we've got r cos theta, and there's the cos theta. So the other part of that bit here is r cos alpha, and that has to equal 1. This one here, the sine theta matches the sine theta, and so we got r sine alpha is equal to 1. To find out what this capital R is, we do this squared add this squared square rooted. You can go back to your core maths, pure maths to find out why. And then to get what alpha is, we do this one divided by this one. Sine divided by cos makes tan. 1 over 1 is 1. And so alpha is the inverse tan of 1, or pi over 4. All of this was to rewrite this thing here in this format. So this is equal to r times by root 2 the cos of theta plus pi over 4. And that equals 3. Finally, just to get the r on its own, we've got 3 divided by the root 2. And we could put the cos down the bottom there, but as we're dividing by cos, let's just rewrite it as a sec. Theta plus pi over 4. Now, I've got to do the same sort of thing in the next one, so you can watch another video of doing that similarly. But I can quickly do g here as well. G is a quite quick one. It's just g is y equals 2x. So replace the y with, being quick, replace the y with an r sine theta, replace the x with an r cos theta, divide both sides by r, well, they cancel out, divide both sides by cos, gives us tan theta equals 2. I suppose you could say that theta is the inverse tan, or the arctan of 2 for that. Finished.